Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'll teach you how to install the Python, which is very simple. Okay, in no time you can finish this installing process. For that you just have to type in www.python.org. okay, there you have to click the download tab. Click Python 3.6.5. It started to download, and then click open. When done, click on run, click on install now. In no time this will install, so don't worry. And there are a lot of versions available in Python, but this is the updated one, 3.6.5. so so it is better to download that, okay, because all the drawbacks and bugs which was available in the previous versions would be recovered in this updated one. So just download this 3.6.5. In 2 minutes this process will get over. Now it says my setup was successful, and then you can close it. Okay, and now if you go type in Python in your search bar, you can see all the GUI and command line, all the consoles that are available in Python, but we are going to use only two in this in this curriculum G8161. You'll be using only this two. One is Python 3.6, which will use command line, okay, which is the interpreter mode of Python, and the second one is using a GUI software which is already installed with Python, called Python's Integrated Development Learning Environment. Okay, this GUI software comes with Python, which is already installed in our system, comes along with this Python package, so no need to additionally install it. So this is one way of executing the Python, which is using command line or command line prompt. Here this three arrow marks indicates that the Python is ready to execute. Okay, now this has an added advantage. Whatever you type in, it'll give you the result directly. So this is the interactive mode of Python. We'll just print and see hello world program, which is the basic program. Print hello world, and just click enter. The output is printed. So this interactive mode will give you outputs instantly. You just note, you don't need to run it using a run or run and execute it clicking the run button. If you just click on the enter button, the output is displayed. So that is the best part of this console, which is nothing but the interactive mode. And next we are going to see about the another mode, which is just again click on Python, which is this GUI, IDLE GUI. This is useful for typing big programs. Okay, this is nothing but the script mode, where you can just type in big programs. Okay, for that you have to just select file, new file, and then you have to type in the program in the space. And for running, just click on the run model F5, so that the program will be run and the output will be displayed in this shell window. Okay, so this is the two modes of Python, which is nothing but the interactive mode and the script mode. Okay, interactive mode is this Python console in command line prompt is the interactive mode. And if you just want to type in the script mode, you have to move to IDLE, which is nothing but Integrated Development Learning Environment, wherein you can type big programs. Okay, so this is for now, and very simple process for installing a Python program. So you do install it and start practicing your programs. Okay, if you like this video, just give a thumbs up. Please subscribe and support this channel by sharing it with your friends. Thank you.
To learn more engineering concepts easily, just don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.